Welcome to Workiom. Today we are gonna check out our project management template. If you haven't installed it yet, you can go to templates gallery here and install the project management template in the general category. So when I open the template, I see it starts with the projects list. So I see 3 projects added as examples with all details such as its stage, start date, end date. I see meetings linked list. It's linked to the meetings list here. And I see the project supervisor. I can select the user as the supervisor. I can add files such as PDF, video, images, screenshots, etc. And I see the tasks, which is linked to the tasks list here. And let's open a project to see it in details. So I can expand it here, and when I check out on the left side, I see the project details, all the meetings and all the tasks linked to this project. So I can click on the task and open it, or I can click on the create button here to add a new task for this project. For example, let's add a new task. I'll choose status, assign it to someone, and I click on save. So I see that it's added here. I can save and close the project and go to the tasks list, and I can see that it's also added here as a new task, which is linked to the sales process digitalization project. So if I want to change the field sorting, by the way, I can go to fields menu here, and I can take the project to the beginning, and it will update our lists. So here is the project. Okay, when I check out the task list, I see different fields for the tasks, such as description, status, owner, attachment. I can see I have subtasks where I can add the stages of the task, and I can select them as I finish them. I see the task priority as low, medium, or high, and I have the due dates. There are different views here. For example, here is a kanban board which is filtered for each project. It's a good example of views for Workiom. Like I can select only one project here, and this view is only for the tasks of a specific project. So here is another board for a different project, and here I can see all the tasks for all the projects, and there's the due dates. So let's check out the meetings list too. Here I can see the name of the meeting, date and time, details, and related project. And in all linked lists, I can just click on the link and go to the related linked record. So I can collapse it to see all of them together with the list. So let's go back to projects for a second and check out the views here. We have stages as a kanban board where I can move my projects from one state to another. And here's the timeline where I can see the starting date and finish date of projects. So if the start date has changed, I can just move my project here, and I can click on the record to open the details. So if I check out the reports, there's one report created, which is task status for each project. Actually, it's number of tasks for each status in each project. So I can see for the Workiom onboarding projects, there are 2 tasks with new status, 3 in progress, etc. So if I want to create a new report, I can go here and select the related list. Okay, I can select the report type. For example, I'll choose pie chart, count of the records for each stage. So I can see how many projects I have with stages. When I click on save, it will add the report to our dashboard. We can see that reports are categorized based on the lists. So we can add multiple reports for each list. Let's go back to our projects and create a new project here. Let's say project 1. It's not started. It will start next month and it will end next month. So I can add a kickoff meeting, for example, here. I'll choose create a meeting and say kickoff meeting for the first day of the project, and I save. And I can add new tasks here. Let's say task 1. Let's add another one, task 2. Okay, let's save it and go to the tasks list. So now here, if I want to see our new project tasks, I can create a filter saying the project contains project 1. Okay, here I see the new tasks. I can add descriptions. They are new. I can assign them to someone. And I can even create subtasks here. Yes, here also in the meetings, I see that I have a new meeting for the kickoff meeting, and I see it on the calendar too. Here it is. It's the kickoff meeting for project 1. Yeah, I mean, that's all for project management template. It's a simple one. You can make it more detailed. You can add new lists, new fields, and new reports, new views as you wish, as you need. So please install the template and play around. Thank you for listening. See you around.